Hey everyone, today I'll compare Hostinger Horizons and Glide. Hostinger Horizon and Glide are both tools that help you build apps without needing to be a developer. But they work in very different ways and they are made for different types of users. If you're thinking about building an app in 2025, choosing between these two depends on what kind of app you want and how much control you want to have. Hostinger Horizon is a new platform launched by Hostinger. It uses AI to help you create apps quickly. You don't need to drag and drop blocks or write any code. Instead, you just type what you want your app to do. You can even talk to the AI using your voice. The platform understands your requests and generates a full app for you. That includes the design, features, layout, and even what the pages connect with each other. For example, if you say, make a simple app for booking appointments, Horizon will create the layout, add buttons, and set up the booking system for you. You can then go in and make small changes if you want, but most of the heavy lifting is done for you by AI. This makes it perfect for beginners who don't want to learn a complicated tool. Glide works differently. Glide lets you build apps using Google Sheets or Excel files. Each row in your sheet becomes part of your app. If you're someone who works with spreadsheets a lot, this will feel very natural. You can create apps for things like employee tracking, project management, or customer directories just by organizing your data. Glide also gives you a visual builder. You can customize how your app looks, change the layout, and add logic like filters and buttons. You don't need to code, but it helps to understand how spreadsheets work. It's a very structured system, and most of the app depends on how your data is organized in the spreadsheet. Glide also supports publishing your app as web app or even to mobile, depending on the plan you choose. Hostinger Horizons does not rely on spreadsheets. It is more focused on AI-powered app creation. You just give it an idea and it gives you a working app. You also don't need to worry about hosting or setting up a domain. Hostinger takes care of that for you in one click. This makes it ideal if you want to launch something quickly without touching technical settings. Glide, on the other hand, gives you more manual control. You build your app step by step, and you can see exactly how the data connects to the app. It's better if you have a clear structure in mind and want to control how every part of your app works. It also has features like user logins, permissions, and integrations with other tools. In terms of ease of use, Hostinger Horizons is easier because of its AI features. It's best if you just want to explain your idea and let the tool build it for you. Glide is still easy, but you need to manage your data more carefully. If your spreadsheet has mistakes, the app might not work the way you expect. If we talk about flexibility, Glide gives you more control how the app functions, but it can take longer to build, especially if your app is complex. Horizons get things done faster, but you might not have as much customization unless you edit the generated app. So if you are a beginner who wants to build an app quickly without learning too much, Hostinger Horizons is a great option. If you like working with data and want to control the logic and structure of your app more closely, Glide might be better for you. It all comes down to how much time you want to spend building and how hands-on you want to be. Thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.